Hello student, 17 Marchot HS first year artsor ase history exam. To aji tumalukor babe loi ahisu 17 Marchor history exam or karone common questions. To yate ami tumalukok jikhini proshno dekhuai dim enekwa nisina proshno kintu tumalukor history ta ahibo. Aru ekhini bhalke jodi tumaluke pohi jua yare pora tumaluke praibur proshno directly common pai jaba. Gotike chhatro chhatri hokol tumaluke yate thoka proshno khini bhalke sai jaba. Aru tumaluke amar channel to subscribe koribole pahori na jaba logote amar WhatsApp channel to join hoi jaba. To kionu tumalukor HS first year exam complete hoar pisote tumaluke HS second year ot uthiba aru tetia tumaluke high secondary exam or karone preparation cholabo lagibo aru tetia kintu tumalukok IH tag asame HS final exam or karone tumalukok bahut khini help koribo gotike tumaluke etia IH tag asam channel to subscribe kori rakhiba aru chhatro chhatri hokol yate ami proshno khini line by line pohi na jao tumaluke bhalke sai loba aru jodi kiba doubt pua tente immediately tumaluke comments ot tumaluke janaba ami jiman paru tumalukor doubt bila clear koribole try korim to etia tumaluke proshno paper khon bhalke sai joa